a lot in dairy. They are doing almost whatever our cooperatives are doing. I kept very limited examples here, but since you are aware that the total value of milk production in India is even higher than the total value of wheat and rice put together. And this dialogue I heard from A.K. Gehlot from my first year onwards. So when he was our dean, so he set context like that. So he had given that analogy that the total value of milk in dairy industry, milk production in dairy industry, is almost equal to or more than more than the total value of wheat and rice put together. So that is the kind of scale of dairy industry. Now the third one is the pet food, care and service. So I tried to specifically categorize it into three pieces. So and post COVID, this is the most booming sector which you guys can grab with both the hands. So pet food, pet care and pet services. You think about pet services, those services are now flourishing even in tier 2 cities. Tier 1 cities like Gurgaon, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, there are enough opportunities which are available. And one of my classmates has chosen a different path. He has not selected even government service. He has not gone to do MBA. He has not gone to fight any bank or any other government job exam. He moved out of the college and joined a private clinic in Delhi. And right now he is one of the successful clinician, veterinary practitioner in Delhi. So you can also connect with him how to set up these. And I'll also like to bring when I'm saying that pet, it's not only dog, it's cat practice, which is also coming up in a big way. So you'll also find that the population of cat within household is more than the dog. So when I, as a person, I am keeping a dog as a pet animal, I may be keeping one, at max two. But when you'll see and look of people who are keeping cat as they are not keeping one, they are keeping them. That is again a very big opportunity. And and you'll hear in series is when maybe my colleague Dr. Ganga Singh Shekhar this. He's right now working with Pedigree. More light about this. Coming to the animal feed. So although the business is totally covered by big cooperatives like Amul, Saras, Nandini, so on and so forth, this industry is also coming up nice. So you'll find few players who are interested in making this a private business. Godrej Agrovet is one of them. You'll also find certain at your senior and my junior. I mean, in product connect with that person to purchase. Opportunity for people who are. So I've seen people from my senior batch, my junior out and do some try some new field like bioinformatics. So people tried. Some people excelled in that field. Some people came back within veterinary also. So that is there. Then there are long list, even people from here to me, and even till now, I'm people might have moved. I'm just recalling those who came in contact with me during my 7-year. So you'll find many people working in multiple organizations. They moved out of Bikaner Veterinary College, graduation in research in other higher institutes, Canada, maybe in America, maybe in Europe. So you'll also then the banking and insurance as a subject, but they are suitable for finance. So that person should the products. Someone is doing work on animal insurance about the nitty-gritty of this. That is also becoming a very big. And you'll find people from batch of Dangi boss, you'll even junior to my batch working in this industry. Then committed, or maybe I landed there. So it's like it's I chosen a path where and I have a knowledge so that I can work now across. How to move into the general. So let's move on. So let's talk about how to move into the general sector. So as I told, it was a very routine life for me till fourth year. So studies, then camps organized by Rajiv Joshi sir. But we planted many trees. Flag of Veterinary College of Bikaner, and then one fine day, Deva, he came into the medical or was about he actually MVSC. If I recall, he opted for physiology from IVRI. Also appeared for IES. he cracked, I guess, one day he landed into Manage Hyderabad. MBA 6 लाख का CTC मिला है, and that is the path of most of the people from my 8,000 रुपए होता है. So that was the scenario. अब आके पता चला है 6 लाख रुपए की CTC, that started, multiple people from my batch also followed that. That started, I guess, multiple people. So that was the batch which started doing this. So कई बार ऐसा ना पूरी being government jobs. So there was a long period of, I guess, 7-8 years when we were not getting jobs. So people started looking outside. So from Dangi Boss batch, Mr. IIM Ahmedabad. Then this Dheeraj Dhingra, he joined Hyderabad. And then Ashish, Dr. Venkat, याद था एकदम से निकल गया, बन गए थे. And then that punchline की 6 लाख की CTC मिली है, that motivated many of us. And as a result of that, 4 of my classmates together we cracked in that college in a single batch. So even that college also not got from the same batch in the same MBA program. So that was then we starting coachings की भाई MBA करना है तो कैसे करना है, कि कौन पढ़ाएगा, all those things. We opted for IMS Bikaner for one. So it's like coaching institutes which give you career launcher, IMS, Times. I opted for that. Then spoken English classes from Dr. Kishore, who at that point in time he was 1 year. Bank PO, Manage, Symbiosis, IRMA, CAC. Except CAT, kind of cracked almost everything. I got admission in IRMA. I go from final call, but since I got admission in Symbiosis, agriculture officer appointment letter from OBC bank. That's at the same time. So I was, agriculture and veterinary graduates, and we had, people to guide us. Ashish Bansal was there. Then Dheeraj Dhingra was there to guide us. Then from my immediate senior batch, Rahul Khanna was there to guide us. 4 or 5 people from that batch. They were in management, triggered my journey out of the veterinary field. My life in one institution, that is CVS. So I had 7 good years over there. Played almost every game over there. Participated in multiple co-cultural IRMA. So there also I spent good 2 years. Varghese Kurian. We all, and without him, it is, unthinkable. Without him, our cooperative dairy movement was, dairy sector is constantly in last 10 years. Amul has price of milk by 14% every year, which is company employee appraisal, who is getting, private company employee is not getting 14% on an 10 years. So that comes around 8-7-8. In the life after IRMA, I joined Amul. I was posted at Jaipur, to Chennai, this premier organization. My thoughts, my ideas, tweak all the business colleagues, my juniors in the organization. कुछ भी चिपकाना हो तो आपको Pidilite का selling Pidilite जो चुट. So I stayed there for almost, देखा Pidilite के अंदर. So there Shell is again globally funded top 5 company. It's like आज की term में मैं 2 billion में not doing gases. So I big in India in near future. From Shell, I moved to, in Whirlpool, I worked as a branch manager in Dehradun. In Shell, entire India, while Shell, I moved to Whirlpool and I was working at Dehradun. Since last 2 years, I am in corporate office, taking care of sales strategy and business. This entire journey of from 2000 onwards was really very exciting. I enjoyed my stay at college. I apart from the financial loss that I incurred for 2 years, I have 2 more years in veterinary college भी खा पता चलेगा अगर आप ऐसे सफर करो जैसे किया. That you will realize once you will. And I enjoyed IRMA. I enjoyed my stay at Pidilite, Shell, and right now I'm enjoying my job at. Right now I'm working on digitizing the front end processes. Front end sales का बंदा market में जाता है, वहां से लेके का जितना processes, kind of responsible for entire. That is going to be a great learning for me. My journey now. A little information around MBA. So there is a humble request from me to all. MBA college is, try to go into the top-notch MBA college, because that will decide your career. If you'll enter into a top-notch college, your efforts to excel will become less. It's not, but your efforts will be more. 5 years of his staying, so he did 1 year. Look at the kind of, or in top 5 in veterinary college Bikaner. Whenever I met him, I was always mesmerized in veterinary IVRI. From there, managed. Then he worked for 5 years in Best College, ISB Hyderabad. So he did second ends. After doing second MBA, right, is at the topmost position, actually enjoying the benefit of doing proper MBA. Calcutta and Lucknow, their core programs. Then these colleges also, this I got today from MBA college. So you can see in the league. So target the best. I am Ahmedabad, I am Bangalore, I am Calcutta, or I am Lucknow. If we are not able to make them, then go beyond and enjoy, फिर मतलब वो वेटनरी ऑफिसर और आप में जो डिफरेंस, आप जिस एस्पिरेशंस के साथ जाओगे वो डिफरेंस आप नहीं ला पाओगे, बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी उसके लिए. दैट इज लास्ट, दिस इज माय लास्ट स्लाइड. That maybe whatever I am talking is not relevant to this, may be not relevant today. You need to look around opportunities which are available, and you have to select as per your strengths. Any wrong selection, fall back. You will also find such immediately to course correction, and they nothing shameful. No, so that is the strength of a veterinary graduate, that you can start your career again in veterinary field. So you'll find some not their and they came back into the veterinary field. Then develop LinkedIn. Those who wants to more in on towards entrepreneur side, particularly on clinic side, my humble request is try to do. You can drive more with the seniors who from, and then changing really fast. The participants who are there, who are in the initial phase of their career, for this book. This book is the current book, and this is telling you how technology is changing and how it is affecting the fields which are not relevant for them. तो अभी ऐसा लगता है वर्ल्ड में मैं सैमसंग और एलजी से ही डाउन द लाइन एक अलग ही आदमी बिजनेस के होगा, सडनली आके खड़ा हो जाएगा टू चैलेंज वर्लपूल, एलजी, and this is happening in front of us. Tesla is one of the example. All automotive companies are just now miniature in front of Tesla. Total value of Toyota, one of the automaker in world, nowhere near Tesla's market value. So that's where this book. So you'll find some relevant. You'll find some changes. And later or sooner, those things are going to come. So he's also not going to be out these technological changes. So please read. The future is faster than you think, so that you can get some context. So this is all from my side. Questions? So any question if you have right now, I am open to take, or you can also ping me on my mail ID or on this number. I am also available on my WhatsApp number is the same. So you can also shoot your questions directly to me. मुझे पता है अभी कोई पूछेगा नहीं, हम भी नहीं पूछते थे, शर्म सी आती है ना.
Sir, one question is from there. There is any seat are reserved for veterinarian in MBA college, sir? Any reservation for MBA for veterinarian?
उसको भूल जाओ. When you are thinking about private, forget reservation. कैसा भी हो, मतलब इसको are we getting advantage of veterinary plus MBA in open market? Yes, we get some advantage.
Just share. When you shifted yourself from veterinary to the Shell or whatever it is, up to Amul, it is okay. Then nothing is related to our veterinary. How difficulties you faced and what advantage you to these?
सर अमूल में भी एक थोड़ा सा ही कनेक्ट था कि मतलब आई नो द बैक एंड ऑफ डेयरी इंडस्ट्री, इतना ही एडवांटेज था. बेचना कैसे वो एकदम नया था. तो आई सैप एक कोई भी आज बड़ी है तो अपना पूरा बिलिंग और अकाउंट्स मैनेज करने 80-90% ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सैप यूज. तो सैप जब सैप इंप्लीमेंट हो रहा लाइक डबल काम करना पड़ रहा था, तो उसमें भी काम करना पड़ रहा था. आई रिमेम्बर उसे मेरे क्लासमेट है सुनील ओला इन द ऑफिस. तो अमूल में प्रोडक्ट का पता था, दैट सेल्स स्ट्रेटजी वो कोई भी चीज हेल्प नहीं करती थी. इट इज learning, and once I learned sales and marketing, it was and another assigned work upon.
Want to convey these people field and this field and that field.
और इसमें मैं एक पॉइंट जोड़ना चाहूंगा सर, आप तो कहीं लेना देना ही नहीं है फॉर दैट मैटर.
Sir, next question. Just a minute. For other than
So I guess you'll hear them out in one of the sessions.
and in MBA, which
Sales and marketing का for management, so it's overall management, PG, PRM. So most of the case studies were relevant कि बहुत case study थी, गांव की बातें ज्यादा होती थी करती है उसमें, because of the person who when you proof plan, तो आप कभी भी गलती नहीं, सबसे लास्ट चेन का जो सबसे
then though not directly related fields.
So I guess Rashmi boss clapped out that.
Good evening, sir.
Question, please.
Sir, I am Uday Payana, affiliated to Luvas. Sir, I want to ask that doing FABM from a MBA in core means is beneficial for an veterinary graduate.
See, it's like always a generalist is better than in business world. So if you have done an agribusiness management from a regular sales and marketing MBA from IIM Ahmedabad, correct?
Yes.
A general MBA, or you'll be tagged as a agriculture specialist, veterinary specialist, the sales specialist होना गलत नहीं है, specialist होना is also a very good thing. To become a generalist or you want to become a specialist.
Next one, sir. After graduation, what should be for a student to do government job if available, or
यार आप अगर फिट हो गए हो बाद में, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे पास माई बैच वाज वन ऑफ द फॉर्चुनेट वेटरनरी कॉलेज, पास आउट होते ही 2 हम भी सेलेक्ट हो जाते हैं. तो अगर आप कर पा रहे हो कहीं पे, then it is great, you can do that. If you are not cope up with that, it is better to come back. People who came back, nothing is wrong, and slight private field, but I guess if उसको कितना enjoy करना चाहते हो, relax के आप इसमें थोड़ा कम job, there is no pressure. आप जब animal, I most challenge, I can see many day in and day out in field, तो उन करने की इच्छा नहीं थी, इसीलिए नहीं किया.
next one is a vet should do MBA from
मैंने बताया ना, जिस कॉलेज में आपको करो IIM अहमदाबाद से. Fortunately, unfortunately not have example. IIM business से, but IIM program से I'm not able to recall any example from our college. So if you guys can correct that, nothing like that. Then we have a IS Sachdeva. तो वहाँ पे. And why I'm saying, because it's all about the methodology or pedagogy through which you undergo in a good institution, the experience of faculty members which are there. So I still recall enriched discussion at that time when Galo sir in surgery clinic, we used lab, we used parasitology, we used to have tribune nutrition. So it's which we had during all these are did also. So if you'll go from a good college, if you'll do MBA, nothing like that.
Hello.
Hello.
Vijayawada, Jaipur. Sir, I want to ask the teachers why we should do want to go in private sector.
Yeah, इसमें ना का कोई आंसर नहीं हो सकता. When you go there and then you will realize. If you have some challenge with veterinary field कि यार ये मैंने पापा में veterinary कर ली या और
है सर, but क्या MBA करना एक्चुअली जरूर कहना का मतलब.
हाँ यार, अगर प्राइवेट फील्ड में जाना है तो इट वाइज यू विल नॉट गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू. क्या होता है जिंदर, मैं बताता हूँ आपको. क्या है ना, एक लॉन्च पैड मिलता है MBA से, तो एक अच्छा लॉन्च पैड मिलेगा, ऑलरेडी अटेंड कर लोगे. उसके ऊपर आप नॉट डू MBA फ्रॉम डिसेंट, आपका MBA नहीं है, देन लेटर जब आप 10 साल 15 साल 20 साल उसमें यू विल रियलाइज दैट ये और MBA किए हुए जूनियर लोगों को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है, एंड दिस हैपेंस.
Yes.
You see, he is busy with corporate work. Other word I want to use, अगर मैं कोई और शब्द इस्तेमाल करना चाहूँ तो that is veterinary के फील्ड में हो, चाहे फेविक्विक का बिजनेस हो, it is first business and then the commodity. तो हमें बिजनेस का बेसिक्स मालूम हो। थोड़ा सा मैं बता दूं कि मेरे बेटे ने बीटेक किया था बिट्स पिलानी से कंप्यूटर साइंस में, एंड देन यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड टू नो ही डिड एमएससी इकोनॉमिक्स, because without knowing economics you cannot understand how I should proceed upon for the profitability of the business. It is not only in terms of money, in terms of earnings. It is if I acquire a market of any extent with less profits. So if you are going in business world,
Next one is
सिग्निफिकेंट जंप आना चाहिए।
आज इसलिए चमक रहा है, किसी जमाने में भी एक्सेल थोड़ी कर पाएंगे। मतलब
one interesting question, sir. Which kind of qualities one should find to choose MBA?
पता ही नहीं चला था यार, ऐसे ही चले गए थे, मतलब इतना नहीं सोचा था। हाँ, मतलब मेरे को यूं लगा कि ये काम मुश्किल है जो वेटनरी का है, तो आई फाउंड माई सेल्फ लेग में ठीक करता था, मैं एलपीएम में अच्छा करता, वेटनरी साइड। सो इफ योर इंटरेस्ट, आपको सर्जरी से प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, आउट ऑफ एनीथिंग भी अच्छा लग रहा है, so extension education all it's extension of our when you will go into MBA na, then you will realize that whatever you have studies in first year an extension first year
Then
इसका मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि अगर उन्हें which Rakesh has
or growth like genetics
और
started
रेस्ट पीपल इवन स्विच आप बेसिक एजुकेशन ले लो, लेकिन इसमें जाने के लिए उसकी तो आपका डिटर्मिनेशन और आपका बैकग्राउंड आपको बनाता है, जिसमें सब्जेक्ट नहीं होता। 15% सब्जेक्ट से पढ़ेंगे, तो दूसरा आप पढ़ रहे हो एलपीटी, जिसमें आप तीसरा सब्जेक्ट आप एलपीएम बढ़ाते करें सीख रहे हो, चौथे में वुंड साफ कर रहे हो, और माइक्रोबायोलॉजी जो हमारी है वो इतनी ओपन है कि मुझे उसके साथ जुड़ के रहना पड़ेगा।
Next one, is there any chance in defense sector, though it's not directly related, but
भैया अगर ऑफिसर बनना है आर्मी में, एनसीसी फौज में, आपको सीधा कैप्टन लगना है।
डिपेंड करता है 5:30-6 बजे।
बिल्कुल सही।
साल में मेरी डिग्री हो जाती है, एंड देन 2 साल में एमबीए। तो सिटीज में हमें एक ऐसा अलग से माहौल भी यहाँ पे कॉलेज पे मेरे साथ, तो लाइट जला जला के रात तक खेले हम वहाँ पे। ट्रेवल टू पालमपुर, देन आई ट्रेवल वेटनरी कॉलेज आर गिविंग बेटर रिजल्ट्स इन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव।
स्ट्रगल करेंगे उतना ही आप, मतलब स्टार्टिंग से जो आदमी सोच लेगा ये करियर 4th ईयर में आके अगर अपने, तो उसको दिक्कत नहीं होगी।
करेक्ट सर।
आप ये सोचते हैं मैंने किस तरफ, किस डायरेक्शन में, किस जगह
or for case studies so that
निष्ठा
एक ही, क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट नहीं, प्रवृत्ति होनी चाहिए। दैट इज फर्स्ट थिंग। सेकंड थिंग इज यू हैव काम करके इन सब।
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Research on net that's mainly for agriculture students. Then how veterinary?
Agriculture industry is a big industry. Veterinary industry is very less of agriculture industry. Size of veterinary industry. Multiple case studies of kept the interest of farmer at the front.
more inquiries than we expected. Today's participant, so that they can their queries.
With flying colors in that field.
Professor Dr. S.K. Sharma for vote of thanks. Sharma sir, please.
Webinar, and it was one of its kind. We started this series Avasar, and it was the first guest speaker in the form of Dr. Rakesh Beniwal, and we are going to have many more. In fact, this idea was envisaged by our respected